What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Token Trend back at it again with another upload. So guys, I know I took a small break, but I am back. I've had some time to reflect. I'm officially back, no more games and none of that. Anyways, let's get on with today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you iOS goers how to get a design logo for free, how to make your own. It depends on what iOS device you have, but it should work for all of them. Now this is a free application in the App Store. There are some in-app purchases if you guys would like to add some extra logos, some extra stuff like that. But other than that, they have some good templates for you guys to choose from. Stay tuned for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow my Twitter. I have tons of updates for you guys right there. I'm going to be coming up with some new movie apps. I'm working on a new project with Game Changers and Mr. R. Some hidden apps in the App Store such as free movies, hidden games like the Nintendo 64 games, emulators, cool stuff like that. There will be there as well. Since I will not be making many videos on those things because I don't want to get a strike, that's where you can get them on the website. That should be in the description. Click the link and it should take you there. Also, for any more announcements, if you guys want to win a free shout out, all you have to do is be commenting on my channel very consistently and also liking. I can tell if you guys have been liking and commenting, you will receive a free shout out in the video. You guys can see it on my little layout. Alright guys, that's it for today's announcements. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Love you guys so much. Let's get started. Alright guys, and before we begin, as you guys can see, I have a nice wallpaper here for you guys. So if you guys do want that, that's in the description down below. All you have to do is click it and it will send you to Google. Hold it down, click save image, and you guys should be ready to go. That's it for the wallpaper. If you guys want that beautiful wallpaper, just click it. You should be good to go. Alright, and let's get started with today's video. So now today's application I will be talking about is called Design Evo. Now they reached out to me and they asked me to make a video on this product. The application isn't paid, it's actually free for everyone. So if you guys want to get this application, please do. It's a really good place to get your own logos and stuff like that. So what you guys want to do is click Design Evo once you download it. That's also in the description. Just click it. It will take you straight to the App Store. Once you're there, you guys have a list to choose from. Now I have the permanent Design Evo logos. I have every single logo there is to buy. You can download more. They're like little purchases and stuff like that. But basically, you have tons to choose from. So let's go to Tech. Where's the Tech one? There, they have tons of folders as well to choose from. So I'm going to go to Technology, wait for it to load. So let's choose a nice one like the company name. Let's tap it. Once you tap it, you're able to change the text. You can change like the background and stuff like that. So what you guys want to do is click text. And let's change it to Techno Trend. Let's make it all nice. Alright, click done. Now you guys can put Techno Trend there. You can make it bold. You can make it nice. So I'm going to click bold. Let's change the text a little bit. Alright, that looks good. Now I'll go to color. You can change the color as well. You can make it a light blue, something really nice and stuff. So I'm gonna go back now that I finished. We gotta save our changes first. You can also take off the company name. You can take off anything else. This application does work based off of what you want. Now I haven't seen any ads on this application, so you guys are in for that. That's basically for this logo right here, guys. All you have to do is send. So you can share it or save it. Once you do that, change your logo, you can change it on YouTube, you can change the spacing. There are tons of things you can change on this app. So let's say you guys want to try another one, click exit. Now I'll be doing a giveaway for the infinite code, meaning you guys will be able to download, I'm calling it an infinite code, but basically you guys are allowed to download more packages, which means more logos for you guys. Where it says download more logos, instead of paying for them, I will be giving one lucky person this code. Once you put in the code in the App Store, you guys will be able to get some of the free stuff, or some of the paid stuff that they do have in there. That's basically it for that, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the description for me. So yeah guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This is a very professional application, so I hope you guys do take advantage of that. Alright guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Be sure to leave a like down below. Love you guys so much. Have a good one. Peace.